everyone, it's August and it's the perfect time to enjoy time outside. Maybe you have a barbecue coming up, maybe you're hanging out in the backyard. And this month we have some summer cooking staples that you can get for free.
Yes, so first up, when you place a 400 PV order, you get this adorable apron. It has a little, right here, it has a little
15
silo of a 15 ml bottle, and it has this fabric that's really easy to clean off. It has two little pockets in the front. It has an adjustable neck, and the best part, just wait for it, the best part is that it comes with this cute little kid's apron that says 5 mil, a little 5 mil bottle.
For your little helper in the kitchen.
Your little helper, so you have the 15 mil, your kid can wear the 5 mil one. Super cute, it has two pockets in the front. Like I said, this fabric is really easy to clean off. So this is great for your barbecues, your parties, anytime that you're making something or working in the kitchen. Throw one of these on when you're using your Vitality oils. It's great to have on hand. So really excited about these.
Love that. All right, at 300 PV, you get this beautiful charcuterie board. And we need a charcuterie board for every party.
Yes.
Come on, this is just...
Rita loves charcuterie boards. It's her thing. So.
And this one is so nice because it's this beautiful acacia wood, and then you get this synthetic marble for a nice accent. And one of my favorite parts is these 3 indentations, so you can display your oils like during your little gathering.
Yes.
So I love that. It's so pretty, and it says Young Living right here on the bottom.
It's like the perfect way to share oils and share Vitality oils because you can just place them right here and you have your cute display.
Yes.
It's a great conversation piece.
Totally.
Now, next up, when you place a 250 PV order, you get 2 Vitality bottles. So you get a 5 milliliter bottle of Orange Vitality, and you get a 5 milliliter bottle of Mountain Savory Vitality. So Orange Vitality is one of my favorite oils, my favorite Vitality oils. It really has a fresh, bright flavor, just like an orange does. So it's great to add to your drinks, to your waters, really to enhance the flavor of any dish. I love adding this to water so I can drink more water throughout the day. I also love adding it to like my favorite DIY recipes. Like I'll add a couple drops to, whole organic yogurt, put a couple drops of Orange Vitality, I freeze it, make popsicles for my kids, add it to green smoothies, really anything that you need that extra orange flavor, a couple drops of Orange Vitality will do the trick. Plus, it has extra benefits. So Orange Vitality has antioxidant properties and it cleanses the digestive system. So you get the flavor and the benefits.
Awesome. And add it to your Ningxia Red. That's a great way to use it.
Add it to Ningxia Red too. And Mountain Savory Vitality is a culinary herb that's been used for centuries, and it's really powerful. Has a similar scent and a similar flavor to oregano, so you can use it the same way that you would use oregano in different dishes. It's great to add to, different vegetables, as you're grilling on different meats and things like that. It has powerful antioxidant properties, it has cleansing properties, and it supports the immune system. So it's a great oil with lots of benefits.
Yeah, and it adds like a little bit of a spice and a little more of an herbaceous note, so you can add this to beans, meat. So many uses for this oil.
Yes, so many ways to use it.
Awesome. All right, at 190 PV, you get black pepper Vitality. And black pepper is one of the most common spices used around the world.
Yep.
Like especially during the spice trade, it was a dominant spice, and it has a really distinct flavor. So this one is great to use in your rubs for maybe meat or seafood. You can use it in marinades, and it just adds this really great, well-known flavor. And this oil is actually found in our Ningxia Zing, which I love. I love drinking that really sparkling, refreshing drink. So it's such a great oil to add to all your recipes.
Yep. And we have even more oils, so stay tuned. So when you place a 190 PV order on Essential Rewards, you get 2 more Vitality oils. You get Parsley Vitality and Coriander Vitality. Now, Parsley Vitality has lots of benefits. It supports overall wellness, supports internal cleansing, and it has digestive support. So you can use it to add to your dish anytime that you would use parsley, the herb. If you don't have parsley on hand, add a drop or just a little toothpick swirl of Parsley Vitality. It's great for salsas and things like that. Salsas,
like
Mexican
a fresh
dishes.
salad. Like I love doing like cucumbers and tomatoes with a little parsley. So great way to use it.
Mm-hmm. And Coriander Vitality is also really beneficial for your health as well. It supports your immune system, it supports your digestive system, and it also has many health benefits.
Yes. And immune support too.
And immune support.
Yeah.
It's an herb that's similar to cilantro. It has like a similar taste, a similar flavor, and it dates back like to the Bible times. So it's been used for over 5,000 years. It's a really fresh, earthy earthy herb, but it's great to add to all of your dishes.
Yeah, if you like salsa, this is a must-have.
Yes.
All right, at 100 PV on Essential Rewards, you get Thyme Vitality. This is also a really common herb that's used around the world, and it's native to the Mediterranean region, and it has this really thin stem and these small leaves, so you've probably seen it. And I love the flavor. It's really pungent, and it adds a little bit of some savory notes to your dishes. So this is a great one to add to maybe like a pasta recipe. You can use it for meat or seafood. So many wonderful uses for this oil, and it has powerful benefits. So it's in our longevity essential oil blend and in our defense. So really powerful oil.
And that's the best part about Vitality oils, is that these all have powerful health benefits, plus you can use them as you're baking and in your kitchen. And really, I love, because sometimes, herbs go bad fast, or, if you're using different spices, sometimes you just need a little bit and you don't want to go buy a whole bunch of things at the grocery store. Your Vitality oils last a very long time, and you can use just a little drop of put your toothpick into your oil, swirl it in your dish, and that's all you need to really get that flavor and to get some of those health benefits.
Yes.
So they're great to have on hand in your kitchen as you're barbecuing, as you're baking different things, as you're trying new things, trying new recipes. All great things to have on hand. Yeah. So let us know what oil or product,
Charcuterie Board,
you're most excited for in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.